Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to download Google Chrome on an Amazon Fire TV stick. Let's get started. First, turn on your Amazon Fire TV stick and go to the home screen. Now move to the settings option at the top and select My Fire TV. Next, click on Downloader option. Turn on Apps for unknown sources. If you see an option called Install unknown apps, open it and allow the app we will use next. Now go to the home screen. Use the search icon, type Downloader, select the Downloader app and install it. Once Downloader is installed, open it. If it asks for permissions, click Allow. In the downloader source box, type this website www.apkmirror.com and press go. On the website, search for Google Chrome APK. Make sure you download the ARM version. This is compatible with Android TV. Once the download is complete, a screen will appear. Click install and wait for it to finish. After installation, click done. You can delete the APK file to save space if you want. Now to open Chrome, go to settings, then application, then manage installed application and select Google Chrome. And that's it. You have successfully installed Google Chrome on your Amazon Fire TV stick. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.